I am a 5th grade math teacher at PS 169 Baychester Academy. Here are a few tips on taking the state test next week.
The night before, make sure your child gets a good night's sleep. Limit technology, make sure they have a good dinner, and go to bed on time.
If you get stuck on a question, don't sit there and get frustrated. Move on to the next question. Put a star and come back.
Remember that we've been practicing how to use the computer on taking assessments. We have been practicing different strategies and skills, not just for test taking, but to become lifelong learners.
Communicate with us if you're feeling nervous. Remember to take deep breaths.
Make sure that your child leaves in the morning feeling confident, loved, and knowing that you believe in them.
Go out there, be a shining star. Do your best, give it your all, and that's all we ask for. Your best. Good luck.
No matter what, we're very proud of you.